I feel a chemistry.
What's up, everybody? Don't mind how I look right now, but I'm just so grateful to be alive right now. Right now, I'm on a walk with my dog. I usually go on a walk with Bella almost every single morning, and sometimes at night, just to wake me up and get me out of the bed. That's my way of like getting out of the bed, because she loves to go for runs. So that's what I do. And yeah, almost every morning, like I would say 5 times a week, we go for a walk, just like around the block, and then I go back to the house and get ready for my day. So yeah, as you can see from the title, it's gonna be a realistic day in the life of a hairstylist slash cosmetologist, because the girl's about to be a cosmetologist soon after I take my time. Where you going, Bella? Look at her. Where you going? Come this way. This way. Y'all, she is something else. But anyways, your girl is about to be a cosmetologist. So I'm going to say this is a realistic day in the life of a cosmetologist, period. Ooh, the sun is beaming on me. I'm glowing. I know I look like I just got out of the bed, because I really did. I just got out of the bed. I brushed my teeth and I just went out the door with Bella, and that's how it is, because that's just it just gets me up and moving for the day, because sometimes I be feeling like I do not want to get out of bed. And the trick to doing that, the trick to getting out of bed, if you have a pet, if you have a dog, take them for a walk every morning. They will get you out of bed. Just say, oh, we're gonna go outside, right? They will force you to get up and get your butt out the bed, okay? That's what I've been doing, and it's been working for me. Another tip is to wear gym clothes. Like if you go to the gym in the morning, all you gotta do is wear your gym clothes at night to go to sleep in, and then when you wake up, you're gonna feel like you want to go to the gym, because you already had the clothes on. You already had the clothes on, so you might as well just go to the gym. You gotta have that type of mindset. Come on, Bella, there's bugs. But yeah, like wear your gym clothes at night. On the day that you go to the gym, I'm gonna actually start going to the gym soon, and get back into that, because I used to go to the gym a lot back when I had my car. I don't have my car anymore. But back when I had my car, I used to go to the gym in the morning at 5 a.m. So yeah, I'm about to get back into that. I'm not gonna go at 5 a.m. So what I'm gonna do is basically go to the gym at night, and I'm gonna actually start swimming, because I've been thinking about it like every single day. I've been like, oh my gosh, I want to swim. So I'm gonna put that in my routine and see how this goes, because y'all, I have a trip to go to in December, so I need to get right. Like I need to look good. So you're gonna be on this journey with me, and I'm excited. I know I look crazy, y'all. I gotta do my hair today too, so you guys will see the process of me doing my hair, all of that. Give me a like, give me a subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next clip. Okay. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna start making breakfast right now. I'm gonna make like eggs. I might make pancakes and a few like sausages. Oh, I look crazy.
If you ride with me, I gotta work for the both of us. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, 'cause we stay in control in the name of love.
Yeah, regular.
12.22.
Alright, y'all, I just got my acai bowl. This is my second time having an acai. I think it's called acai. Acai, whatever you want to call it. But I just decided to get a acai bowl because today it's hot. It is hot. It's hot. Y'all, it is hot. I'm sorry, I'm mad extra, but because I'm actually happy. I also do my hair. I wash my hair and everything. I'm about to go to my suite right now. So I'm about to try my acai bowl. I tried to put y'all on the dashboard, but it wasn't working out. So we gonna try. Ooh, I didn't even ask for all of this, but this look good. I'm excited. This look good. It's called Sobo. It's called Sobo, and it looks like that. Okay, so they got like granola at the bottom. They got the acai in the middle. And then they got some fruit on top. Okay, we'll see. I got some bananas, some blueberries, some strawberries, some coconut. There's definitely coconut in here. This looks so good. Cheers. Oh my gosh. Yeah. That hit the spot. That definitely hit the spot. Y'all, this is so good. Y'all, it's 91 degrees today. What's going on? It's the day before Thanksgiving. Not Thanksgiving. It's the day before Labor Day. And it's 91 degrees. Like it's summer outside. I don't like when the weather be doing that. Like, it be going back and forth between summer and fall. It's always doing that. Like, why? Just stay at one temperature. Like, these mangoes are so soft. Y'all, I'll get back to y'all when I get to my suite, and then we're gonna do my hair together because this gotta get done. Okay, this gotta get done. I haven't had my hair done. I took my hair out like a week ago, and I just been putting this hat on and have my hair in like a ponytail and been walking around like that. Like, but she needs to get done, so we're gonna get her right. Okay, so I will see you guys when I get to my suite.
If you ride with me, I gotta work for the both of us. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta work tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, cause we stay in control in the name of love.
Alexa, turn on the TV. Hey guys, so we are about to start my hair. I already prepped the hair last night because I was not doing that today. I had some time to prep last night, so that's what I did. So now I'm about to start installing this hair. Alright you guys, thank you for making it this far into the video, and if you liked my vlog style videos, make sure you comment down below and let me know, and I can do more videos just like this one. So I will be starting off on pre-braided hair that I already had. My hair was in locks, and all I did was take the locks out and just left the braids in. So what I'm doing is putting a jam on my root, and then I'm just going to crochet one piece into my braid, and then I'm just going to use my hair as a third leg and braid the top. After I braided it 2 to 3 times, I feed in at least 2 to 3 pieces of the curly hair. I believe I fed in 4 pieces because I used one hair. I believe I did 4 pieces each braid. It was either 4 to 5 pieces. So what I'll do is basically like braid it as if I'm doing a knotless braid, a feed-in braid, or whatever you want to call it. So y'all, I had so much trouble with this hair. It was tangling. I had to cut it so many times. I had to cut like the hair as I was braiding because it was just tangling, and I was just getting fed up, y'all. I was getting so fed up, like. But the hair's cute. The hair's cute, but it was tangling like I don't know what. Every time I tried to braid it, I would have to like smooth the piece out and do it that way. But look at it. Look, it's giving. Okay, it's already giving, and I only did the back part, but it just tangles. I'm sorry, but I do not like this hair. Like, I know that this style is not gonna be a long-lasting style because it was already tangling when I started even putting the hair in. So I'm gonna keep this in for like maybe a month and then take it out and do another style. But here I'm just gonna show you again what I'm doing. I'm basically using my hair as a third leg, braiding it like a few times and then just feeding in hair. I fed in like 4 to 5 pieces, and I believe I used 4 packs of hair. I would say get 5 packs just to be safe. I did have to go to the store and get another pack because I was running out of hair. So yeah, I believe 5 packs. So make sure you get 5 packs, and if you have extra hair left over, just bring it back to the store or whatever. Exchange it for something else. I don't know. But yeah, so basically I'm doing like goddess braids with this hair. I'm just gonna, do the regular, take a piece out and, pin it up and keep braiding. The end, what I did was knot it at the end. I didn't put no glue on anything. And this is what the hair looks like. You're gonna see that it tangles when I'm pulling it apart. You're gonna see that it tangles. It's cute or whatever. It's cute, but it tangles. Like, sis. And when you first get it, it looks short, but it's 22 inches. It looks short, like it's 12 inches, but it's actually 22 inches because it's like squished up in the pack. So yeah, here I'm just prepping the hair on my pegboard, and I use colors 1B30 and 1B27, and like those are my main colors that I use. Now the only reason why I did it this way is because I don't like the look where it's straight and then curly at the bottom. So I made sure that I had put curls in between my braids so that it was a full look all over. So yeah, I mean, you didn't have to do it the same way I did it, but I just don't like the look where it's like straight and then curly at the end. I didn't like that look. But yeah, just continue watching the rest of the video. Alright y'all, it's the next day and I still didn't finish my hair, but I'm on a walk with Bella, and I had to go to the store to get another pack of hair, so I just went for a walk with my dog. We got the hair, and now when I get back, I'm gonna finish. That's why I put it in a bun, because it's not finished. Like the middle part is not done. So it's hot outside, y'all. It's so hot. It's like 90 degrees outside. But come on, Bella. Come on. Let's go. She keeps stopping and acting like she have to pee when she really don't have to pee. So I will see you guys in the next clip when I finish my hair. So far it's looking like this in a bun. I already got compliments on it when I went to the beauty supply store. But yeah, so far it's looking like this. I did like a whole messy bun type of look. But yeah, I just gotta finish the middle. It's a lot of hair, y'all. It's a lot of hair. Just so you know, it's a lot of hair. But I just gotta finish the middle part of my hair, and then I will come back to y'all with the finished look.
I shine so bright, you might go blind, blind, blind. When I walk through, they close their blinds. I'm gonna show off, I know it's time. I am my price, don't it look nice?
You look nice, don't you?
I bet we could roll out. When I show up, I show out. Didn't know then, but I know now. Best kept secret, but you know now. Take a look when I started. Knew it right when I found it. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry.